Today we are headed into Portugal. Okay, for real, I have Rebecca with me. She's from Australia, and this is gonna be our first time traveling together. We'll see how it goes. We're excited. For real, we come back trying to kill each other. So we finally made it to Lagos. We just stopped by our hostel to drop off our stuff, and we're currently looking for food. We need food now. And also, since I lost my luggage in France, I don't have a bathing suit, so I need that. And yeah, and we're gonna be doing a boat tour later on, so yeah, stay tuned for all of that. So we literally stopped at the first place that we could find, and there's flies everywhere. But anyway, look at our food. Oh, they gave me a fat spoon. Just for you. So we're late for our boat tour. So, you know, just casually running there. Whatever. Just a day in the life. Pop it. Yeah, we had to run after our tour because it was supposed to be at 3:15. And so I was like, y'all, I was sprinting, okay? And then, yeah, he was like, we're gonna put you guys on the 3:30. Okay, so yeah, we're doing a boat tour. We'll see how it goes. We're excited. It's supposed to be super pretty, right? Okay. So we just finished our boat tour. How do you feel about it?
It was good, but I'm just like burnt on my face, and I'm feeling like I'm dying a bit.
Okay, as you can tell, we've been in Rotterdam for like almost a month now, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're not used to the hot weather anymore. I mean, not that I was in the beginning, but like it's really hot. Yeah, Australia, she was used to it. Yeah, so it's really hot, and I think I'm turning red. But yeah.
Part 2, about to get skin cancer.
Right now we're heading back to our hostel. We're gonna go drop off our stuff, and like I need to change into my bathing suit, put more sunscreen on, and then we're gonna go look for a beach. So okay, so basically our hostel hosted a dinner. It's called like a family dinner, and it was €5 for pasta, which is vegan. And because I'm totally vegan, you know, and then free sangria, so it was cool. And then right now we're all headed out to get drinks. Yeah, I have a vlog. Stop. Guys, I finally found a Mexican person.
The first Mexicana I meet on my 2-month trip.
She's been in Europe for 2 months? 2 months, 10 weeks, and this is the first time she meets a Mexican person out here. This is the first time I meet a Mexican person out here. I've been out here for like a month now, so
I love it.
it's hard.
We understand each other completely.
No, we really do. Finally speaking Spanish to someone, like that's so crazy to me. You don't understand. Like I'm so used to speaking Spanish to my parents, and like it feels like home. Yeah, it really does. In Europe. Okay, so we're literally on a pub crawl right now, and I haven't even had one drink, so I'm like perfectly sober, but like I was like falling over. My hostel leader was like, oh, like please stay upright, like you look like you're falling over. I'm like, girl, I'm just naturally a mess, I'm completely sober, bye. Good morning guys, so today is my second day in Lagos. Today the plan is to do another boat tour, I believe, and we're trying to get lunch and also go to the beaches, because we did go to a beach yesterday, but it was pretty late. It was like 6:30-ish, and our dinner started at 8, so we didn't want to like stay there for too long, and it was already like the water was already pretty cold, and the tide was pretty high up as well. So right now it's like 10, almost 10:30, I think. Rebecca slept in, and surprisingly I woke up really early. Like I got home or got back to the hostel around 3:30 a.m. because we went out last night and everyone left and I was kind of like, where are my friends? So yeah, I was low-key sketched out, but then almost died. The tiles here are very slippery, but yeah, someone came back and got me, so that was cool. And then I woke up around 8, so super early, 5 hours of sleep or whatever. And yeah, right now I'm just like walking endlessly because I need a vlog. Okay, so ignore my super study face, but currently we are at Forte Ponta de Bandeira. I think that's how you pronounce it. And there's this like really cool view from here. Okay, and it was only €1 if you have your student ID, but then also the ticket says like Jóvenes ate aos 25 años, which I think it's like if you're less than 25 years old, you can still pay €1. So it's a deal. Okay, so basically we went to the beach, we swam, I nearly died, you know, near-death experience every day. And then we kind of hiked a little bit, like we were walking to see if we could find the other beaches, and they're all tied together, so we really have no idea where we are right now. But we're on a cliff, and like the view is really nice, so if you guys can come, do it.
Come!
Right now, we're gonna go to lunch if you guys want to meet us. Alright, so we're finally on our boat tour. It seems delayed like almost 2 hours probably. Like,
Yeah, that's so bad.
my face is so red.
Oh my gosh, it looks so red. Yeah. Like you sun oiled it. Oh, wait. So this is the Jeffree Star highlighter. Golden glow.
Would recommend if you want that like golden glow.
Look at that.
You know, that bronze goddess.
Yeah.
Just
Links
go
in
to
the description.
Portugal.
You get 10% off. Type Daya.
Yeah, so do we get to dive? We don't know. We'll see.
We're supposed to be, but I don't think we will.
We're just basically going to all the caves right now.
Yeah.
And yeah. Enjoy! So we just finished our tour, and not gonna lie, that was a shitty tour. Like, we paid €40 for that, and all we did was just like go to caves. That's it. Like, we just drove past them, and then at the end, oh, and since our tour was delayed like 2 hours, they were like, oh, we're gonna take you guys to do something like that no other tour does. And you know what they did? They took us to see another cave. Like, what? That company right there. Safaris, do not do it. Our hostel does the same tour, basically for €20, and they're allowed to get out of the boat and swim. So, Old Town Hostel, not Safaris.
Oh, and also, she booked the wrong fucking date. She nearly didn't get on the boat.
I forgot about that. Okay, so she told me to book for September 16th. No, you told me for Sunday. She told me to book for Sunday. I didn't know why I booked for Saturday. So on my confirmation, it had like the date for the 15th, right? And so then we get there and we were like, oh, like Rebecca and Dayanita, and then she was like, oh, that's so weird, I don't have you on the list. And I was like, oh, I don't know, like I have the confirmation email. I pull up the confirmation email and I show it to her and she's like, yeah, that's so weird, I don't understand why you're not on here. And then Rebecca goes, is today the 16th? And I was like, yeah. And I was like,
like starting because she was like, that's alright, like it's the booking problem, like we'll let you get on, luckily there's a space. And I was like, just keep going,
and we were like, okay, yeah, thank you. And then Rebecca starts totally sucking up to her, like she's like, wow, I love your tattoo, that's so colorful, like bye.
I try to save your life by distracting her.
Anyway, yeah, shitty tour, don't do it. And what else? Oh, since it was so delayed, like basically our plan was to like get back and then get showered and like get ready to go to dinner and like see the sunset and everything. The sun is basically setting right now, so
yeah,
peace out to that. It's also our last night here, so
yeah. We'll just get dinner and just look at
yeah, it's fine. Yeah. I mean, I had a cute outfit planned. I'm not bitter at all, whatever.
You're bitter.
Sunsets in Portugal. It's honestly so pretty, you guys. So I'm low-key a witch and I'm highly attracted to the moon. And it is... I was like, where'd it go? It's so pretty out here. Oh my life! Like I knew I would be living my best life, but I didn't know. Before coming, I had actually seen a video on Portugal and they talked about how barnacles are a delicacy here and how they're super expensive, and I had been wanting to try them, but I was also low-key scared. So we got this plate for 10 euros. Rebecca thinks they're all right. This is what they look like. So this is a small one, but like basically you just like, oh, it's juicy. So you twist it until the skin rips like that, and then you just keep twisting. No. You made it stop. Wait, is it? Okay, redo. Let me get a bigger one. No, it's getting stuck in there. I can feel it. Okay. This is what it looks like, and then you eat that part. They're really good. Morning, guys. So today is my last day in Lagos. Right now I'm just headed off to a coffee shop to journal. My favorite thing to do. Yeah, I'm just trying to have like a very mellow day. I feel like it's been a while since I've had a day to myself. Rebecca left. I don't really know when, but she left because she's going to Lisbon next, and your girl has school, so I can't do that. But yeah, I'm basically gonna go journal and have some coffee. I really recommend, if you guys don't journal, to start doing that. I've been having a journal since I started college, so I just finished that journal like right before leaving for study abroad, and then I got this new one that my friend gave me right before coming. So yeah, I've been writing in it like almost every day, at least every other day, and I just journal about everything that happens. So I'm so excited to like see how this evolves throughout my time here. So I ended up going to a cafe. It was called, I don't know what it was called anymore, but I'll look it up and I'll link it. I got this thing called Pastel de nata, and it's basically their like Portuguese dessert, and it tasted kind of like flan, but it was really like, it was warm flan, so like that's kind of weird, but like it wasn't cold, and then it was like in this little cup thingy, like a crust, and it was a sweet crust. So I'm not good at describing food, but it was really good. And then I got an iced coffee as well, and it was only 270 euros for both of those things, which is pretty cheap. And then I looked around because I had seen this place that did pedicures for 15 euros. And honestly, after traveling like for the past month or so and like wearing sandals everywhere, like your feet get disgusting. Okay, so I went and got a pedicure, and it was honestly a really shitty pedicure, but it was cheap and my feet feel so much better now. So currently I'm just chilling by the water. I'm gonna continue to journal, just like enjoy time by myself. Like I love being by myself. I don't know why, but there's just something so peaceful about being by yourself. So yeah, I'm really enjoying myself right now. I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here. So basically I'm gonna be here for like another hour, and then I have to go check out for my hostel, and I'm just gonna head to the train station. It takes like 2 hours to get to the airport from here. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I will be linking everything that I went to and the things that I do and don't recommend in the description box. If you guys have any questions, as always, comment down below. Bye. LOL, guess who just missed her flight? Dumb bitch queen right here. Loves it. Had to pay another 150 euros for another flight. Love my life. In total, I've spent like 400 euros trying to get from Rotterdam to here and back. That's like more than what I spent on my flight from SF to Rotterdam. It's fine.